Canva Blur Effect, how to blur faces, objects, and more. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur any image in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, Canva has a bunch of different tools that a lot of people don't even have any idea about, and these tools are so helpful, especially their blur tool. So how can you use that? Well, it's very simple. I'll take an image over here, so I'll take this image and I'm just gonna open this up a little like this. So how can I get started with blurring things in this image? Well, all I have to do is select the image, click on edit photo on the top left, and from here you will see in FX effect in the left panel you have a blur option. So just click on blur over here. Now from here you have two types of blurs you can add. So you have a brush that you can use, so this can be helpful in blurring a particular face or object. So let's say I only want to blur this person's face. I can do that from here like this. And then you can choose the brush size you want to use as well as the intensity. So if I remove this blur and I want this to be super intense and I want to do it all in one sweep, so I'm going to take a larger size of the brush like this and just go on ahead and blur this, and now it's super blurred. And this can look a bit much, so usually going for a lighter intensity works out better. It blurs out everything just to a nice extent. Then you also have a removal tool that can help you in removing the blur. So whenever you're blurring and things might end up going out of the border, so if I was just blurring and I accidentally blurred this girl's face too, I can click on remove on the left panel and then just remove some of the extra blur like that. Now, if I want to blur the entire image, I can click on whole image on the top right, and then I can choose the intensity and then blur an entire image as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.